How to merge cell in Google Sheet and keep the data. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let's start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Sheet and we have some sample data here, you can see. So let me show you how you can merge it. So there is the one formula we can use, which is concatenate. I'll show you. Just start with just select the cell where you want result. Okay, so I just select this cell. I start with the equal sign, type that formula, which is concatenate. Okay, now hit the tab. Now you need to select that cell which you want to merge. So I want to select this cell. Okay, then I want to merge with this cell. Okay, which is D. Title is C. Okay, so we need to separate with the space. So we need to type the comma, then for space we need to type double quotation mark with space, and now just again we need to hit the comma. Then we need to select that another cell which you want to merge with and just close the bracket. Now you can see the result is the both cell has been merged. Okay, now what we need to do, if you want to apply this formula to the rest of data, then just select this mark and hold it and drag down, then the all formula will be applied to the rest of data. Okay, the formula will be apply all the data. Now you can see in this cell we can see the result, but this cell has a formula. You can see this is a formula in this cell, and this the original cell we have plain data. So what we need to do, if you want to remove this formula, then you can remove it. Just select the cell like this, copy it, again select the keep the cursor on first cell, right click on it, go to the special and click select the value only. Now you can see value has been, the formula has been clear, but value still there. So you can see this is also now plain data. So that is how you can merge the two cell without the losing your data. Okay, so I will show you again. Concatenate. Okay, concatenate equal then bracket will be open automatically. Then you need to select the cell which you want to merge, then type comma, then if you want to space, then hit that double quotation mark, and if you want the comma separate the comma, then you need to enter the comma within this quotation mark. Okay, now again separate by comma, select the another cell and close the bracket. Now you can see they are separating with comma, and same as you can apply to the rest of data like this. And if you want to remove the formula, you can follow the same steps. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.